Hello my alien students, welcome back. Hope everyone is doing good. Today what we're going to learn? We're going to learn something very important. That's an important concept. I'll say today will be more of explanation. Okay? How to create a 2D view. Okay, from where? 3D view. Okay? So we have, let's say, this drawing. Okay, we have this drawing. How do we create the front view, the top view? I'll explain everything. Okay, and the right side view. Let me just make things very clear. This is a drawing, a 3D drawing. Okay, or instead of this I make it much easier. Okay, we have, let's say, I'm going to make a cuboid. Okay, if you don't understand it, let me know. Should be straight. Okay, doesn't matter. See, can I see this? Yeah, I can see this. Can I see this one's edge? No. So what I'll do? Hidden. Okay, this is a 3D object. Okay, remember this. Okay, this edge, which one? This one, which I'm seeing from the front. This is called what, you know? This guy is called the front view. Looking like this. It's called front view. Any comments? So if I talk about this example, you would be saying, John, you know what? This is the front view. Isn't it? Front view. Good. This, if you're looking from the top, this is called what? Top view. Isn't it? So you would tell me, John, it is this part. Now I'll change the color. This is the top view. Isn't it? So in this case, it is this one. Isn't it? Okay. Then opposite to the front, that is the back part. That means, let me just try to get another color, black color. Okay, this part, you know, behind. Sorry, this was too much. Okay, this guy behind, which you cannot see, this behind. Okay, is called what? If this is front, this is a rear. Okay, in this you cannot see this rear, in this behind, isn't it? Is it clear? Okay, then this one, which is bottom. Okay, this guy is called what? Bottom. Okay, then let's say we have blue. This guy is called left, and this guy is let me change the color. Sorry, yeah, this guy is called the right view. Okay, is this clear? So in this case, we would say this is the right. This is the top view. This is the front view. This you need to understand. Okay, once you understand this, okay, how do we draw it? Let's say you need to understand another story. This is the first topic. You need to understand what is top view, what is front view, what is right view, whatever. Okay. Front view. Okay, now let's say, take this case, this example. First you always draw the front view. So let us draw that front view here. Okay, let's say this is 10 units length, 5 units width, height, let's say. Sorry. Okay, so first thing what you draw is you're going to draw the front view. Always start from the front view. Okay, you should be drawing a straight line, but anyway, so this is 10, this is 5. Beautiful. Now what you need to understand is, okay, what you need to understand. Yes, I think this drawing, because he's drawn a 3D projection, I have drawn it in like this. So I would have made it at an angle of 45. Anyway, doesn't matter, doesn't make big difference. Okay, this will give me a good understand. This will make you get understand very clear. Custom color green. Can we see green if we put green? Yeah, we can. Okay, just remember that this part, which is green, is this part. Okay, in our case this one. So can we say that this is common? Let's say this green is common for the front and for the top, so this will remain same. So even the top, when I make it like this, okay, let me just drop this. Okay, he will be at the same, he will have the common, this is common, right? Let's say if this is AB, where is this? This is A and B. This is A and B, common, isn't it? So this is what? Front view. What is this? Top view. Okay, so that's why you see the equal length. Okay, this is clear. In our case, this was 10. Okay, what is the width? Let's keep it 3 units. So if I'm looking from the top, what I can see? I can see 3, I can see 5. Can I see how high it is? I can see 10 and I can see, just a second. Yeah, I can see 10 from the top. I'm looking. Can I see the height? I cannot see, isn't it? So what I can see is, that's the 10 AB, and the, let's say this is, where is my pen? C, isn't it? So you can say something like this from the top. So this is C. How much is this? 3. Let me write this color is not good. 10, 3. This is also 10. This is also 3. Same story. Let's say if this was 10 units, this is also 10 units. Okay, this much, this is common between, isn't it, right and top. So this, let's say if this is, let's say 3 units, just give, no, this will be, looks equal. Anyway, just telling example, if this was 3 units, this also has to be 3, isn't it? And what is common between this and this? The height. Let's say if this was 5, this also has to be 5. 5 from where to where? This one to this one. Okay, this is the most important thing. So unit, let's say this is 5, right? So what we said, this is common for both. So let's say this is common for, this is BC, and where is it? BC, yeah. Let's say BD, which is equal to AE, let's say, isn't it? I hope this is clear. Okay, this is 3, this is 5, this 3, because this is common, this is common. I hope it is clear now. Okay, let me just make it very clear for everyone. See, this is common for this, isn't it? That's why we said 10, 10. This is 10, this is 10. Actually, you should draw lines like this, projection lines, but you know, this guy. So what you will do? Sorry. then I think blue is better. This is this. And which else color do we have? Maybe some lighter color, pink. Okay, this you need to understand. Okay, in this case there was no, inside nothing, it's just a solid thing. But as here, there is one circle here, isn't it? So on the top you would see there's a circle, isn't it? And here you can see on the top view, sorry, let me not draw it here, let me draw it there itself. See, this circle is this circle, and you project it down, you see it as a dotted line, because you can't see it. If you look from here, can you see that circle? No, isn't it? Similarly, this line's top you cannot see, so you make projection. Similarly, you just project, that's it. Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed this class. It is the basics, I would say, very, very detailed explanation of how do we convert a 3D object to a 2D object. Okay, you understood. I hope you understood what is the meaning of a top view, what is the right view, front view, whatever. Okay, you need to understand. If you don't understand, slowly re-listen to this video. Okay, if you still didn't understand, let me know. I will re-explain and make it an easier video. Okay, take care everybody, enjoy. Okay, see you all in the next class. Yalla.